Hey guys, what is up? Hello, how's it going? My name is Nickeil Genesis if you're new here, and welcome back to everybody else. It's been a very long time. I know, it's been a very long time. I have different hair. Shocker. I'm gonna be changing it today. Also, shocker. Thankful and so just beyond the moon excited to announce that I have partnered with oVertone to give you this video. They have sponsored this video, so just so that's out there and I'm up in front with it. So they just came out with 3 new shades. They have like a ton of different colored shades. I have used a ton of different shades myself. I'll post some pictures like here so you can see. I've kind of been making my way through the rainbow. Next color I'm going to do after this is orange, so this is kind of like a perfect segue. So I have a couple like little notes for you guys. I'll just kind of share them. If you've never heard of oVertone before, these are like colored conditioners. It's like not technically a dye, even though it does dye your hair. And you might be asking, well, like, how is it not a dye? Let me read this here. It says traditional dyes open the hair cuticles using harsh ingredients like ammonia and heavy alcohols. Plus, they're typically runny, multi-step, and require precise application. oVertone coloring conditioners are just that, conditioners that contain high-quality pigments. They're deposit only, leaving the strand healthy and intact. So that is the biggest difference with hair dye and this oVertone color conditioners. It's a really nice alternative to coloring your hair if you color your hair a lot. So this conditioner takes about 15 minutes to actually work on your hair. It says after 15 minutes it's like you're not going to get any like more color pigment deposited into your hair, so you can leave it on for 15 minutes or longer. Up to your discretion. I always leave mine on for longer just because I'd like to. But then you wash it out and then you have brand new colored hair. And also something to note, going forward they did change their packaging. The old packaging used to say deep treatment on it. Going forward it's going to be saying color and conditioner. So this just, it's the exact same formula, it's the exact same thing, it's just new packaging is all. Same amount and everything is in here. To apply the color, you can apply it directly on wet or dry hair. If you apply it on dry hair, it makes the color a bit more vibrant, so I always apply it on dry hair, but you can do it on wet hair too. So you can only buy this at oVertone, the website. I'll leave a link for the website just in the description bar below and also in the comments, so yeah, check that out. The price of this is $29 and the size is 8 full ounces, so 237 mils. So these are the 3 new shades that they came out with. Let's see. So I have a honey brown, an espresso brown, and rich black. So I can show you what's in my package, but I don't know that you will be getting these. I think they're just for like promo for this, so don't like hate. So it comes with like 3 scrunchies. I have the 3 different shades here. So I've got the black, the espresso brown, and the honey brown. So cute. It has like examples of what the hair should look like and what the result would be. So it's ideal for like blonde hair. The honey brown, which is what I'm going to be dyeing my hair with. And then the espresso brown, like a nice, pretty much honey brown. Is what they want before, and then after you get like this nice chocolatey brown. And then for the rich black, if you have like any shade of brown hair, you just apply it over top, or any shade, like anybody with any shade can use these colors. You can mix and match, but these are like the ideal types and like the ideal results. So this is the packaging here. So this is the new container versus the old container. Same thing. I mean, this does look like a little bit taller, but it's just the packaging, like it is the same amount, so exact same amount. So yeah, you're just getting new packaging. So this is the rich black. Ooh, child, honey child, oh shit. That is the Rich Black. I think this would be like super pretty to mix with blue. Like, don't you guys think that those two colors together would be so nice? I'm probably gonna do that one day. So this is the Espresso Brown, same packaging, a little bit lighter. Ooh, it's like chocolate. And then this is a color that I'm going today. Yes, we are here for it, hunty. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting it over my red hair. I did do a strand test and it turned out really pretty. I did a strand test when my hair was a bit more red. I bleached it like 2 days ago for about 15 minutes just to kind of strip out most of the red. As you can see, like the top part of my head has more red than like the back and like bottom of my hair, because I worked my way from the bottom up and I only kept it on for like 15-20 minutes. So yeah, I don't really mind that I have like streaks, but just so you know, I'm not a professional hairdresser or anything like that. I am just like an everyday average person like you. And I just like to color my hair, so I don't really care if it's got like highlights and lowlights. It kind of works with having curly hair, to be very honest, so that's kind of nice. And Overtone's really great too because it is like a conditioner, and with my hair texture and type being dry and like curly and kinky, it really helps to like coat it and just make my hair feel so nice. So yes. The new packaging looks really like sleek. The smell of it is always just like so good. It smells like peppermint. Like minty, pepperminty, fresh. Without further ado, I think I'm gonna stop talking now. I don't know that I have anything else to say. Anyways, I'm excited to dye my hair, so let's do this. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, so I ran out of dye. Literally finished all of the dye. I think I'm just gonna leave it for tomorrow. See how this looks with just this orange patch, and if I like it then I'll keep it. If I don't, then I will experiment with the darker brown. But yeah, I didn't use gloves. You can use gloves. That was also something that I forgot to mention. And I didn't mention that this is vegan and cruelty free, which is A++, and there's no sulfites in it, which is also A++ for those with curly hair. Yeah, I really like the shade so far. I think it's gonna wash out and be very delicious. I am going to eat some food and then I'll wash this and I will show you guys what it looks like tomorrow, because it's gonna take forever to dry. So okay, goodbye. Okay, so it has been a couple days and this is my hair now. I wanted to show you guys a couple different versions of lighting because my hair looks different colors in different lights, I swear to God. And like a more like dark, I guess natural kind of lighting, it looks more brown with like red tones, but in like the sunlight and like bright lights it looks more red. Girl, I don't know. But I really like the way that my hair turned out. So yeah, I'm gonna insert some clips so you guys can see what it looks like. I swear to God, it looked like super red the other day, so I wanted to refilm it and show you guys that it does look brown. It still like reads as red, but I mean it is over red hair, so it's kind of like a coppery, reddy brown thing. I wanted to show you it in the twist because it does have like different kind of colors in there, so like y'all's hunting. My final thoughts on the product, obviously I freaking love this product. Like, I'm obsessed with oVertone. I've been using their product for probably like a year or more than a year. I don't usually use any other colors like dyes, just because oVertone has like fixed my problems. And it's like really awesome because you can use it in the shower too. Yeah, if you want to like touch up your hair color, you can always keep it vibrant, or you can like fade it out and do like different stuff with it. I really recommend it if you're interested in it. I would definitely give it a shot if you're interested in trying it. I will leave the direct links to this specific color that I used in the description bar, and I'll also leave a direct link just to the website in the description bar as well, so you guys can check that out. I don't really have anything else to say. I did get complimented today on my hair color, which was really cool. Somebody said it looked very fun and like delicious, which is what I said too. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Different lighting, different style as well. So once again, big thank you to oVertone for trusting me enough to sponsor me. I don't get many sponsorships, so this is like such a big deal for me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. That is all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched the whole thing, thank you. What colors would you guys be interested in? They do have a wide range of colors, so you could always mix and match too, which is like so fun. It's so fun to mix and match. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, I will try my best to answer. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye!